can actually rupture things inside your head.
Yeah.
You can rupture things.
Sneezing builds up air pressure in your sinuses. When you hold it back, that pressure
Yeah,
has
I would
to
never
go
think to do that.
somewhere. Rare but real case reports have shown burst eardrums, ruptured blood vessels in the eyes, and even brain aneurysm ruptures
God.
from people's stifling sneezes. Most people get away with it, but sometimes the unlucky ones don't.
Imagine you killed yourself with a
stifling
sneeze. What an
and
awful way to
ending up
go.
with sudden hearing
Terrible.
loss or blood leaking into your brain. It sounds extreme, but those cases do exist.